If you wanna go to Disneyland and maximize your visit, here's how we did it on our day 2 in Hong Kong. We got there early with our early pass tickets. Best hack ever kasi konti pa lang yung tao, so more time for rides and photos without photo bombers. But before anything else, we went to Disneyland City Hall to claim a free Disneyland pin, and since it was my birthday, I actually got 2. And then on our first ride, it was Frozen Ever After, zero line, diretso sakay agad, parang pambata lang but may bonggang pasabog sa dulo ng ride plus may hidden camera shot para sa reaction reveal. Then after that ride, we tried Wandering Oaken Sliding Sleighs. Super fast, parang nakakatakot tignan but actually it was fun and 45 seconds lang naman yung ride. And of course, the highlight Hyperspace Mountain. Grabe, we didn't expect that it was so extreme. Good thing we rode it before eating brunch kasi mahihilo ka talaga. So for us to recover, we watched Mickey's Filler Magic Show while waiting for lunchtime. Then headed to the Royal Banquet Hall and we used our meal vouchers that we purchased sa Klook para mas tipid. We ordered the roasted half chicken combo and premium mixed grill. It was good and super laki ng serving in all fairness ha. Well, after lunch, we went to the main street for the Disney Parade. Medyo late kami pero okay lang kasi ang init din at wala kaming dalang payong. And naabutan pa din naman namin yung Encanto and the beautiful Disney princesses. Well, that's just our morning at Disneyland. Watch part 3 to see how we survived the heat, the rain, and stayed until the fireworks show.